Namaste and welcome to this 15-minute hamstring stretch. I've designed this for those of you that need a little bit of a longer hold in these stretches for any positive effect to really take place. I'll invite you to sit anywhere on your mat. Take the soles of your feet together, knees out to either side. Take a breath to center yourself. Use the hands to pull your chest forward. Take your gaze up to the sky. Exhale to send your weight the other way. Take the chin to chest. Use the hands to pull your chest forward. Take your gaze up to the sky. Exhale to send your weight the other way. Take the chin to chest. Inhale to use the hands, pull the chest forward. Return to neutral spine. Extend the left leg long, bringing the inside of the right foot to the other thigh. Grow tall, extend out through the crown of the head. And as you exhale, walk the hands forward, folding over the left leg. Maintain a bend in the knee. Keep energy in the foot. Use your breath as a tool to distract the mind. No need to stay super still. Embrace the micro movements your body might want to do. Take a deep breath in to lift the head up. Extending through the right leg, bring the inside of the left foot to the inside of the thigh. Grow tall through the spine, extending out through the crown of the head. And then hinging at the hip, walk your hands out down the length of the leg. Keep a bend in the knee at first. Use your breath to anchor yourself here in this posture. Listen to your body. Maybe it wants to stay still. Maybe it needs to fidget or move something. Keep active in the foot. Take a deep breath in to walk your hands up, exiting the stretch. Extend your left leg out long now. Separate your feet so that your legs are as wide as the mat. Walk your hands out through the middle of your legs. Keep a soft bend in the knees. And when you're ready, allow your spine to round, bringing the head down to relax the neck. You can take this stretch as deep or as light as you need. Point and flex the toes. And bring both legs in and reposition yourself so that you're sitting facing the long edge of your mat now. Extend your right leg out to the side and pull the left foot in close to your pelvis. Sweep the left arm up overhead and then bring it over into a side body stretch. Tracing the right hand down the length of the leg. Maybe you want to rest your elbow on your quad and rest your head in your hand, making a little headrest. If your breath went a little shallow, maybe you start to deepen it once more. Bring the left arm down to the mat now, rotating your chest towards the leg. Reaching the left arm out long to rest anywhere on the leg, knee, or foot. Lift the head and chest, changing sides. Pull the right foot in close to your pelvis. Extend the left leg out long to the side. Sweep the right arm up and overhead, taking it into a side body stretch. Lower the right hand down. Now rotate your chest towards the knee. Reaching out for your leg or your foot. Walk the hands back in. Tuck your legs in, just sitting cross-legged. Close your eyes. Notice how you feel. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope this helped you. And as always, I hope you are happy, well, and at peace.